Hi, I'm Brad from Brad Jones Racing. I'd like to take this opportunity to give you a sneak peek behind the scenes to see the engineering and all the things that we do here to make the cars go faster and compete safer. To deliver highly engineered products, it starts with a vision and then brought into reality through the combination of staff and suppliers that strive for quality and high performance. Metal fabrication is the key element to a race car, so our engineering and metal fabrication teams work closely together to ensure the right balance of strength, weight, and impact safety characteristics are applied into all our race cars. The selection of raw materials, the welding process, the wire type, and the right welding gas mixture all play a part in ensuring high-level quality and performance outcomes. It's something our gas partner Coregas support us with to optimise our welding processes using their comprehensive range of shielding gas products. If you care about the weld you're laying down, pick up your phone and call Coregas. Their experts will ensure you have the right gas for the performance you need.